terms of the larger ecosystem for entrepreneurship. So speaking of unreasonable people, back in 1997 when I co-founded Endeavor, everyone thought that it was insane. The tide market just collapsed, so emerging markets weren't exactly hot. People kept telling me that entrepreneurs didn't exist in these countries. And even if they did exist, you couldn't scale them. And no one would mentor them, let alone invest in them. Now, that was the reason we left, and in Latin America, where it was starting, the reception was no warmer. I actually told the story of Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak starting out on the computer to talk about what meant by entrepreneurs. And a kid came up to me in Argentina back in 1997 and said, listen, that's my story, but it has no relevance to my life. I live in Latin America. No one is going to give me money to start my crazy idea. And I don't even have a garage. Now, even my parents thought it was nuts. I heard my mother one day mentioning to a friend that here was something that Harvard and Yale only have to take early retirement. Needless to say, they've proven the critics wrong, and even my parents have come around. But while entrepreneurial talent did exist in these markets, it is true that in Brazil, Chile, and Argentina, where it never started, there was no